shopping. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give us something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space. Could I need it, baby? I'm late, but I still can check it.
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You know what I'm saying? Still trying to come back when you faint. I always wanted you, but it's that I don't see you. You got something real, not fake. You won't get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You won't leave me up when you make. You try to come back when you're famous. I should have given from you best of me. I believe that I wasted the best of me. Oh, baby, you don't care. Can't try to make no sense. This is hurting. Trying to make sense of little change to me. I'm worried about my mind. Let it go away. He was holding me. Choose the words, but it will be nothing for me. All the while, I wait for all my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Put the lights on this voice inside. Put the limit on my mind. Hold me on my feet. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm not. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm on my head. I can smoke no baby so hard in my blood, yeah. I see fast, pretty fading, so I got trouble trusting, yeah. So I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush?
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Josie and today I'm back with another banger. If you guys are new, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so that you can get notified whenever I post another video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh yeah, so today we're going to be doing a travel vlog. So basically a mini travel vlog because I'm not gonna be filming everything. So yeah, without further ado, see you guys later. I won't be talking in.
so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog. I'm a dog, I'm on my
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? With you waiting on the daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why